Welcome back, Biscuits. So today we are going to talk about a very important subject. Hey, I love you, Biscuit, which is how to get stickers off your windows. Because if you have a monkey like I do, and I'm pretty sure you do, they find stickers and they sticker everything, including all of your windows. So I want to show you some of my tried and true.
Everything. I tickle me.
Oh, okay. He just stickers some things. I'm sorry for impugning his integrity there. Everything, including my car, which that should be a video unto itself because I need to get the stickers off there. These are my tried and true methods of kind of my step-by-step guide of 1, 2, 3, the steps I take to get it off without damaging too much. So come along, let's try to actually get windows that look like adults live here and not just a zoo full of crazed monkeys.
You can't get my ticker thing off, Mom.
One of the things I use first is this little guy. This little guy is just a cheese knife. That's all it is. I'm going to use the non-serrated, which is this side, and the tip to work on this. Okay, so once I've gone through and done my first little cheese knife segment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with window cleaner, so Windex or whatever you want to get. I buy some window cleaner at the dollar stores. Almost, my love, not yet. And then we're going to go over and we're going to go through with the cheese knife again, and then we're going to scrub. And then our next step is going to be, what's that? We're going to wipe the windows down with a little squeegee. Oh yeah. Who's got awesome, gorgeous Pinterest? Wait, no, Instagram windows. That's the pinnacle. You might say, hey, crazy lady, why are you scrubbing this in? So I'm just scrubbing it gently. This isn't the major scrub. Just to help get the stickers a little bit wet so that they're a little bit easier to scrub off with or slice off with the cheese knife. Who knew the cheese knife would be so handy? Oh, yeah. I mean, I'm a supporter of cheese. Oh man, I need to get some kind of sponsored partnership with the cheese company. That would be like the dream. Hey, don't knock me over. I see, sweetie, it's okay. Okay, let's go use the cheese knife. Oh, I dream of Vermont cheeses. Delicious Italian cheeses. Ooh, some soft French cheeses. Oh, I've been distracted. Okay. From the cheese onto the cheese knife. And let's grab my brush. Boom, it's that easy. Sparkling clean fabulous window. I have to clean the outside of my windows to make them truly sparkling. But you see that actually got rid of the stickers, which is amazing. Without too much damage to everything. I have a few more stickers that I will need to deal with, and I need to do the stickers in the car.
I tickle wedding in your car.
Thank you. Let me know in comments if you want to see a car cleaning video. My car's a disaster. I might pre-clean it just a little bit so you don't know the true disaster it is. You've never seen so many goldfish in someone's car, ever. Guaranteed. Sweetie, no, be respectful of my body space. Hold on, my love. Yes, go wipe.
Okay.
Until my next video, I would love it if you went down the description box, checked out all my homewares that I design. I design awesome, fun, motivational, and playful mugs. I design all sorts of t-shirts for both men and women. I have different styles. If you follow along on Instagram, you can see all my photos that I post around the house of all of my shirts and mugs and pillows I design. I know, love. But let's be quiet for a moment while Mama finishes.
I know, but I need
And as always, you can find all of my ebooks on Amazon and all sorts of other spots where ebooks are sold. I write a lot of really fun, really playful romance novels that are very Stadian. Ooh, so scandalous, so scandalous. I will see you all over. Thank you for giving these cleaning videos a thumbs up. I know they're one of my most requested topics on the channel, so I love making them. I love, you know, sharing kind of how I get through my cleaning day, which is always a little hectic and crazy. But, you know, hey, at least the house is vacuum clean. That's my goal. I'll see you all over. Thank you so much for subscribing and being a part of our channel.